All right, part 2. Calculate the volume in cubic millimeters. So let's go Solidworks 111044, 111059. So I checked and 888.48 and let's see, 888.355 are 1.3% away from each other. So just a little bit outside of the, let's see, just outside of the threshold is on number 2 of 888.48. 888.355 is 1.3%. This one says within 1%, so I'm close. Let's see, 111044. Again, that's 1.3% away. So question 10A, the model is located in SolidWorks. I think this is the model. Create a new coordinate system. The new coordinate system location is at the front right bottom vertex of the model. Save the model. Name it homework 410A. Okay, so let's see. That's the center of mass, but how do I change the coordinate system? Let's see if I just do this. Let's type in 0 there, 0 there. That'll go to 0, 0. What if I do this? Features. Bodies to move copy. Let's see, translate. How would we do this? Let's rotate. Let's go from here to there. That might work. Okay, so the front right bottom vertex of the model right here, make sure it's facing the right way. Z going that way, X going that way. Enter the center of mass. So negative 80, 15, negative 22. Negative 80, 15, negative 22. Okay, so that's good. So now I'm going to take okay, so I'm gonna need this. Save that. Oh, didn't save it. Right now, I'm just going to save into my downloads as project 4 through 10. center mass. Save that. Okay, what's the next instruction? I think instruction 1. So then they also call to save this as a separate model and do this as actually I think it's like this. B 4 through 10 A. I'll just keep it like that. Advanced project 4 through 10A. That's going to change to my name, Advanced Project 4 through 10. And then, let's see, this is going to change. Name that like that. All right. So what's next? Modify the model. Modify all fillets to 7 millimeters. So let's do that first. Let's do fillet, edit, 7. And might need to rebuild the model, possibly. No. And then that was this fillet. There's also this fillet. Let's edit that to be 7. Fix that. See if we need to rebuild. It's going up a little higher. Then we will file, save as. Actually, before we do that, let's check what else we need. Modify the overall length to 140. So we're going to go to Boss Extrude 1, edit this sketch. Oh, we did move it too. I wonder if this will update it. 140. And then back out. That's going to be tough. You know what we should do is just discard this for now. And I'm going to file open. Actually, while it's not opened, and sorry I'm doing this while I'm making a video, but maybe I'll cut this out if I have time. This is just 4 through 10. That's the 4 through 10 evaluation. And then this one, I have that. I needed a, let's see. Yeah, so then I need a center of mass on here. Picture of that. So we'll save. center of mass. Then that's what we're going to do is file, open the 4 through 10 before we changed the origin. And now we're going to modify the rounds to 7. So fillet 1, edit, change that to 7, confirm, fillet 4, edit, change that to 7, confirm, and that should be all the fillets, yeah, because that's a circle. So what do we need from there? Overall length. So here, edit sketch. This is going to, I think it was 140. Oops, don't need that. We need this one. 140 and then 1060, so that 140 was correct. Modify 1060 alloy. Configure material, that's not what I need. Okay, wait, let's get out of here. Oh no. Oh, you know what it is? I need, oh, huh. How's that gonna work? So this sketch, that's constrained to there. I need to go to, oh geez, this sketch and edit. Okay, on the first one, it doesn't have all these entities that it was offset from. So let's see what we can do about this. Hold on. So sketch 6, edit. Let's convert. Smart dimension. You know, this is actually still going to be the best way. Otherwise, I have to undo the drawing. So let me pause it. Okay, let's see what happens now that I have these constrained. So now, let's go to sketch 1, edit sketch, do 140. Okay. We need to constrain one more thing. That's not what we need. We need sketch 6. We need that to be vertical. Okay. Now we're good. Might have to go back and do that to the other drawing. So what do we need now? 1060 alloy, edit material, 1060 alloy, apply, close, file, save as, B. Okay, does it ask anything else? Enter the mass and save the model name at homework. Enter the mass in grams. Enter the volume. So 309.75, evaluate mass, 309.68, um, volume 114721. 114697.493. So again, I'm gonna guess that's 1.3% off. And that's it. So just make sure you take a screenshot of this last part and name all your files. And that's the end of the advanced project.